Hey everyone, this is Frankie and my channel is Joy Route. This channel is all about me living in and out of my mini camper van, traveling, taking adventures, always taking a joy route. Now the other day I showed you all my storage and it was in disarray. It's still in disarray. But when I take a few minutes, I took about an hour. I was listening to a writing podcast and I just straightened up a little bit. I swept the floor. You see it stains on the carpet. It's nothing I can do about that. I moved the little makeshift bed. I moved it right here. So there's my little makeshift bed. Here's my laptop and desk. I've been working in here. I still don't have my HP laptop. It won't be here until the 18th. I made me some food. This was some chicken chili. It doesn't look good right now, but it was very delicious. I bought a roasted chicken and I made it in my Hot Logic. I did some of my letters. I put my letters out everywhere. The name of my channel, Joy Route. As you all can see, I have a candle going. Can you tell I have the candle going? Just to bring good energy in the room. I want to get my energy back in balance. This stuff over here, these are blankets, okay? Really, besides that big sleeping bag in that over there, I don't need any of this stuff. Same in this crate. This is just clothes. This here is just stuff I need to go through. These bags, I packed up stuff in these bags. They really can go to Goodwill or the trash. You see I have two buckets over there. One of the buckets used to be in my car, but it's no longer in my car. Then in this room here, these boxes, the majority of what's in these boxes are books. Some of the books and some stuff, I mean, besides a couple of antique pieces, like for instance, this is an antique picnic basket. Okay, I bought it when I was living in California. And besides certain little things, and those are my car seats, I don't need any of this stuff. I'm serious. This is all my camping stuff. This is a clothing rack. I like to keep like, paper towels and hand wipes and alcohol, things like that. But people ask me, they say, is it counterproductive to get a storage? I say not. I know this is $200, but keep in mind, I work a lot of hours during the week as a digital nomad. I hustle and hump my butt off. And so when I come to this storage, if I'm able to keep it, if I'm able to declutter it, which I am, it really just takes me just an hour just to get stuff in some type of order. I can come in here. I have peace. I can write at the desk. This is really my desk. Over here, they used to be my son's desk, but it's got a lot of stuff on it. I need to declutter it, but sometimes I'll sit here, I'll move everything off of there. And I can come here and I have total peace of mind. When you're going to a library or a coffee shop, imagine this, there are people in the coffee shop talking. Imagine that. In the library, there are kids and everything like that. So sometimes as a person who needs to work, I can't work in a coffee shop or a library every day. Then going to relatives' house, there's no private room where I can go to and work. I can come here and I can get work done. If the weather is really inclement, like if it's really, really hot outside, this storage unit is temperature controlled. The lights are on a timer, but as you can see, this room is very much lighted because of the sunlight. Also, I have a light bulb, a Lucy light, Jackery. I have all that stuff to make it, even if the light went off that's on the timer over there, even if that light went off, which it will in about 15 minutes, this room is kind of dark, but I can put my Lucy light in here. But in this room where I'm working, I have plenty of sunlight, I don't want to show y'all, but I swear to God, it's some very expensive condos, right? I can look out my window and they're just right over there. Also, I can do my little exercises. I do little arm weights and things like that. And I can come in here if I don't want to go to Planet Fitness and, exercise or whatever. Over here is just like my food pantry. This stuff, I really can throw all this stuff out. I really can. Now, this crate over here, these are my containers and stuff. And this stuff is good. But in this food, all this food, I can throw all that stuff out. So as y'all can see, this is how I brush my teeth and stuff. I just got a lot of stuff, but I made a nice little bed. I tried it out. It feels just as comfortable as the bed in my, just as comfortable as the bed in my van. So I'm good. I mean, I like this space. Now, I told y'all this space is haunted. Some people have suggested that it might be the pipes. It's not the pipes, because when I've had like my cousins over here, see, the light went out. You see that? It always scares me when it goes out. But you see, it's not really that dark in there, and I can put my Lucy light in here. But anyway, it's something that is in this building. I don't know what it is. I don't believe a spirit will hurt you. It's just probably trying to tell me something. But as long as I'm out of this building before 6 o'clock, and if I wanted to, y'all, I could even sleep. Now I have the Dodge Caravan, the rental cars out front. I don't know if I can show it to y'all without exactly showing you my location. Okay, so there's the rental car, the Dodge Caravan. I could sleep in this parking lot if I wanted to, but it's dark back there, and I'm a big old scary cat. So I just wanted to show y'all that I had to make this bed was made short because it was made to fit against my car seats, and so the other part of my feet would connect to my car seat. But now I just have this footstool. I bought these footstools from like Bath and, well, I don't even want to give stores credit, and for like $10, and it just makes it really, really comfortable. I sit right here at my desk. I do my work. I have a peace of mind. I can do a little exercise. I can do a little reading. So life is good. So I'm going to keep this storage right now. I've heard van dwellers. My friend Lamont, he has a storage, and you've seen van dwellers with a storage. They say they need somewhere to go where they can go through everything and organize. I have papers and books and clothing. When I had an outdoor storage, I would have to go there. It would be so hot or it would be so cold, and I would have to work outside and try to bring my box out and put stuff in my car. But here I can really stretch out. Now, in this storage building, which I don't want to be in this storage building, they do have units that are like one room, and they're a little bit cheaper. Like I paid $200 and maybe $5 for this. I think the one rooms, or maybe I could say $50 or something. That may be an option when I get ready to go out west, just to keep me something, but we'll see. So I just want to give y'all just an update, give y'all my thoughts or whatever. I still don't have my laptop from HP, because what happened is they ended up giving me a refund, and they gave me a credit, but I could only use the credit on their website. So I got my laptop this time custom built. I got a couple of features that I wanted on there, and it's not going to be ready to September the 18th. So that's why I haven't been doing any really edited videos, because this laptop is old. It keeps crashing. Y'all see I had to tape it up with masking tape and everything like that. So that's the reason why I haven't done like the van tours. And plus, I have to mind the business that pays me. I work. I'm a digital nomad. I've been writing for 30 plus years, and I mind the business that pays me. But anyway, I'm going on and on, y'all. I just want to say happy Saturday. Take the joy route. Give me y'all thoughts if y'all are a digital nomad or a nomad. Are you living in a van? Are you thinking about living in a van? Do you think a storage is practical? Would you get a storage? Just let me know. All right, take the joy route. This is Frankie. Bye-bye.